Hello YouTube, got our new smoke machine in today, the Actron Smoke Diagnostics Leak Detector, the SDT-206, new for 2019. We got 2 meters on this one now. We got airflow meter as well as an oil level meter, and we've got an oil filled gauge. And we have a white box in here. And inside this white box, in here is the SDT-206 Smoke Diagnostics Leak Detector Product Manual. And according to the manual, this is including the main unit, the hook for hanging the unit, rubber stoppers or stoppers, plugs, taper stoppers, taper pipe, 30 milliliter oil bottle, which has no oil in it, the user's manual, and evap testing accessories, and the adjustable inflatable stopper. We got our smoke hose, our 30 milliliter bottle, tapered stopple, Schrader valve tool, a couple of small rubber adapters, large nut, little red stoppers, large rubber stoppers, power cord with our battery clamps, and the inflatable stopper. These things are really neat because you can pump them up inside the pipe or inside the exhaust or inside of your intake, and it'll block it off and allow you to inject smoke right in. Well, there you have it, YouTube. The SDT-206, new for 2019, with an oil level meter. Good enough. Hello YouTube, just got our new smoke machine in today, the Actron Smoke Diagnostics Leak Detector, new for 2019. It's the SDT-206.
Redo.